Welcome back, and now I'm going to show you an example of an ideal lab design. I've used floorplanner.com to draw this layout, and we'll just go over some of the features. It's 10 meters by 7 meters, and as with the other lab designs, there's area for bag storage, somewhere to hang your lab coats, and an area for additional equipment storage. So what makes this design a little bit different is that it's split into two halves. So we've got our practical work area over here, and our theory lessons can be conducted over this side. The students are able to sit at regular desks, which makes it far more comfortable for them. And the students at the front seat are only 1.7 meters or 5.5 feet from the whiteboard, and the students at the back are just 5.8 meters or 19 feet from the whiteboard. There's just a standard desk for the teacher. If they do want to do a demonstration, they can use one of the student benches, and the students will be able to see that quite easily from where they're sitting. If we move over to the practical side of the room here, we've got 4 benches with 8 students at each bench, so you would have room for 8, 16, 24, 32 students. I don't think it's necessary to have a sink at your benches. I find that they just tend to collect rubbish and trash. So I think it's preferable to have some hand washing areas over here for the students. And you can also provide these equipment washing areas where they can collect their water from as well. In terms of student supervision, if the teacher's standing here, then they can supervise the 8 students at this bench, turn around and supervise the 8 students at this bench, take a few steps across and supervise this group, turn around and supervise this group. So within a few steps and a couple of turns, the teacher will be able to supervise all the students during the practical lessons, and none of the students would have their back to the teacher. If you want any help or ideas and suggestions designing your next lab, please feel free to contact me.